Remember we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you are watching World Vamshi Infotech, guys. So first of all, I apologize and very sorry, guys. Why? Because and after such a long days, so we have got I did not upload any of the videos. So let's quickly start a new video after these lockdown. So this is an new laptop which is a DR series, guys. Yeah, so you can just remember a DR 1000 like that. Yes, so the same series, DR series, which is DR 1008 TU. So TU, yeah, this TU stands for not a dedicated graphics. Yes, there is an default 1 GB of up to dedicated up to 1 GB of graphics, which is Intel HD UHD, which is a 620 series, and moreover this is comes with a 10th generation, guys. Now let's see specifications. So this comes with an operating system, Windows 10 Home, which is again a 64-bit operating system, and Intel Core i3 10 generations, which is again an 1.2 gigahertz of basic frequency up to 3.4 gigahertz of turbo booster, which is again an Intel technology turbo booster. That is and again a great thing about this, and this comes with a 4 GB of RAM, the transfer ratio which is 2,666 per second. So again this comes with 512 GB of PCI NVMe M.2 SSD, guys. A cloud services, which is again a Dropbox series. So this comes with a McAfee of 30 days of free trial, guys. And about the display, this comes with 14 inches full HD 1920 into 1080 of resolution, which is again an IPS micro edge view, which is again a 250 nits, which is again a brightness. This is a massive thing. And what the all ports, so let just switch or the laptop and just look it on. So guys, this is the DR series, which I have been spoke you about the specification, guys. So this is a 14 inches full HD with IPS display. Resolution is 1980 into 1080, which is a full HD resolutions with an micro edge bevels, which covers 78% of screen ratio. And you can see the HP logo written over there down, and you have an HD webcam along with and two microphone inbuilt over there, and an camera indicator too. And this is very thin very thin guys. So this is almost 6.3 mm, which is a bevel's size, and you can just see the camera also. Yeah, this is how the camera is. So this looks very unique, and you can see the quality of video and all, like resolutions, everything. Yeah, and now just we'll switch over to a ports guys. And the left hand side you have an SD slot and then two indicators for lights for on and off, and no more. And again at the right side you have one 3.5 mm headphone jack, and you have one C type which is only data transfer guys. Okay, just remember, just and only data transfer, and two USB which is the 3.1 version, and then one HDMI and one AC port. And this comes with 41 watt hours of battery guys, which is a 3 cell battery, and this is a good thing again about HP. And this weight guys, so thin and lightweight, I can easily lift aram se. Can you see here, in any view angle I can just view easily, which is a nominal 1.46 kgs only guys. Yeah, and I can just lift it, and now just I can lift it by left and two without any effortless. I can just lift this. Oh, that is and again a great by HP guys. And about the keyboards, obviously as this is an plastic keyboards, a plastic, not a normal plastic, which is an good quality of plastic, which is and maybe a fiber too. And these all desk keys of all of plastic guys. Oh, these again two pieces which is been a joint and been tightened with a screw. And this you can see here a precision pad. This looks and again a massive, a great thing, and a normal HP support stickers over here written over, and again a Microsoft includes Office, Home and Student. Do not forget to active. Yes guys, so when you connect to a internet within a 30 days of registration, you need to active this one guys, otherwise you won't get active the Microsoft Office. Again Intel i3 10 generation written over here too. And about the apps guys, so this comes a normal a default which is on calendar, Cortana, calculator, and these all, and this comes with all the HP supportive guys. It might be an HP Smart, it might be an Jumpstart, audio switch, or maybe an ePrint and all. And this comes here, you can see an Xbox and a normal default Skype settings, and like Paint 3, these all. And you get an Netflix 2, which is an 30 days a free trial, and Microsoft inbuilt, which is again an 30 days of trial. And here you can see the MS Office, which is bundled, which is again Word, Excel, PowerPoint and OneNote guys. So when you get activate once, so that will be a lifetime guys. That is an again advantage of this. And talking about the advantages, so a major advantage is backlight guys. Yes, of course. Why? Because in this price range segment you won't get any backlight in in not in any range or in any company. So that is again an HP doing a great job in this. So second advantage is an storage. I'll just show you. So this comes with a 512 GB of SSD. This is not a normal SSD, guys. This is an PCMe. Okay, PCMe. I can just go to properties. Here are details. Again, here the hardware. Yeah, can you see here? Yeah, NVMe, which is a great thing. PCI NVMe, which is a great thing of a selective part, and this comes with obviously and with an 8 GB of RAM, which is again 7.70 GB of usability, which is powered by Intel i3 10th generation, a basic frequency. So next, guys, about the disadvantages, there is an disadvantage about the fingerprint. So there is a missing a fingerprint over here, and a build quality too. So maybe I expected aluminum metal finishing part over here, these all. And one more disadvantage is the Alexa. Obviously this is an 10th generation, so you need, everyone knows that in 10th generation Alexa comes inbuilt, but in this model there is a missing, Alexa is been missing. So that is an one more disadvantages, guys. And moreover, third part of disadvantage is the upgradation of storage, guys. Storage upgradation. So this comes with only a 512 GB of SSD, as you know. So this, can you see here, like in that 512 GB you get a 476 GB of storage. Again in that 438 is a free. So if we split it, so this will be an, for C, if you use it for 150 GB of C type, and so the left will be almost 320, near to 320, 326 almost. So that will be a free again, so that you can use it as an storage, guys. So as of now, this is the main what all the disadvantages which have been I have thought of this model. And talking about the color, guys, so this is comes with as natural silver, so all over here, there, and again an HP chrome, again a down part, again Windows sticker over written over here, again an big not a big, this is a small variant here, and again you have exhaust over here too. Can you see the holes? Yeah, there's an again an exhaust which is air exhaust. In previous we used to get over here, so now there is an changes now here. So overall my conclusion to this laptop, so if you are an normal usage like office usage or an student who is looking for a laptop, so I definitely recommend this laptop to use it. Why? Because powered by Intel i3, which is again a 10th generation, which is 8 GB of RAM, which is again 512 GB of SSD, which is a PCI. So that is a smart over thing of an HP. So like for official use, if there someone is traveling for a long distance, So 14 inches pretty good. So thin and lightweight, obviously this might be a good choice for them. So if you are an gamer or if you are an editor and all, so I don't prefer this laptop because you don't get any dedicated graphics for this, guys. So if you have any queries, so let me know, and this is for off now. So please share, subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts, so comment me below. Thank you. Bye bye. Jai Hind.